Nagbabalik kami dito sa Eat Bulaga. Ituloy-tuloy na natin ang Father's Day Special.
Oh, special.
Special talaga to, Ma'am
Special.
Vicky. Kaya shoutout sa aking tatay. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Sa
Love you
akin
po.
din.
At espesyal ang hinanda ng mga Dabber Cats para sa kanilang dads at sa lahat ng Dadbar Cats.
Ngayon lang to ulit mangyayari para sa Father's Day. Reunion ng TVJ Kids and Jowa Pau Kids sa EB Stage.
Uy, grabe yun, Ma'am Vicky. Kaya, bossing.
Excited yung mga dads, oh.
Yun na nga, bossing, Boss Joey, Jowa Pau. Relax lang po kayo. Ano po bang gusto nyo? Kape? Ano po gusto niyo? Chill lang kayo dito,
Soft
bossing.
drinks, bossing.
Pwede ba 2.5?
Chill lang dito. Ganyan lang, bossing, dahil may hinanda kami para sa inyo. Eto na sila, Dabber Cats. Give it up for Dabber Cats, Atasha, Karen, and Maine. Kira Ballesteros, Paulo Bayola, and Yesha Manalo.
Kasama ba sila Shara Soto, Danica Soto, at Jocas De Leon?
Let's go!
Ako po si Atasha Mulak at yung tatay ko ay si Aga Mulak. My dad is the sweetest person who's raised me and taught me so many things in life. He is also the nicest person and one has a special trait of making anyone smile, and what I love about him is how selfless and grounded he is. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you for putting up with me and being my partner in crime for everything. Lahat ng kulitan ko, lahat ng celebrations ko, lahat ng milestones. He's always there by my side, guiding me and supporting me. Love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
Tatay ko po si Karsten Eistrup. He has always held a special place in my heart. The memories of our time together, especially nung 3 years old pa po ako, ay isa po sa mga chine-cherish ko hanggang ngayon. Even though we may be apart, I know to myself that I love him so much, and I am very grateful to have him as my dad. I just want the world to know, lalo na po sa mga Dabber Cats, that no matter the circumstances, my dad has always been a source of love and inspiration for me. I love him deeply and I wish him all the happiness in the world. I hope he knows just how important he is to me. I love you, Dad.
This ain't Texas, ain't no holder. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So pack your Lexus and throw your keys out. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around, and I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar for me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life photo. Don't be a wish, come take it to the floor now. Woo! There's a tornado in my city. Hit the face, dancing and pretty. Run with, cause we survived. A red cup kisses, sweet redemption, fast time, yeah. This ain't
Tatay ko si Teddy at siya ang aking #1 fan mula noon hanggang ngayon. Makulit pero mabait, bugnutin pero loves pa rin namin. Mananga kaming lahat sa kanya. Pero si tatay, mapagmahal yan at maalalahanin. Yan yung secret niya na alam naman naming lahat. Tough love minsan pero #softy talaga. Naalala ko nga nung mga bata pa kami, sumasama kami kay tatay kapag luluwas siya kasi pinagsha-shopping niya kami. Hanggang ngayon nga na may mga asawa na kaming magkakapatid, ganun na ganun pa din siya. Bibilhin niya yung mga bagay na alam niyang magugustuhan namin. Malambing talaga yan, mahiyain lang. Pare-pareho lang kami. We got it from our tatay. Happy Father's Day, Tay! Thank you for everything and thank you for being my #1 fan. I love you! Char. Nahiya? Ganun nga kasi kami.
Tatay ko si Wally. Siya ay mapagmahal, hardworking, supportive, at higit sa lahat, sobrang kwela na tatay. Favorite bonding ko with Papa ay ang paglaro namin ng video games at pag-travel. Alam niyo ba na hindi lang siya malakas kumain? Magaling din siyang magluto. Yan ang tatay ko. Happy Father's Day, Pa. I love you.
Tatay ko si Paolo Ballesteros. Gagawin niya ang lahat para mapasaya ako. Ipinakita niyo sa akin na palaging may mas maliwanag na panig sa lahat. I love you, Daddy!
Hi, my name is Yensha Manalo. Mayor Jose is my dada. My dada is a loving father. Sometimes masungit po siya. When it comes to our use of too much gadgets, he is a very supportive dada and malambi. He's funny and makes us laugh. He always makes sure that we have breakfast and merienda. He always buy taho, lugaw, and fries. We like to watch movies together, especially horror. Even when he's busy, he takes us to school before going to work. Dada, thank you for everything. We are so proud of you. Happy Father's Day. For me, you are the best dada in the world. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ain't nobody this tough, don't be careful. humble person. Talagang walang yabang sa kanyang katawan at napakalambing na ama sa amin, ng mga kapatid ko, pati sa kanyang mga apo at higit sa lahat sa aming mommy. Lagi siya nagpapatawa, nagmamagic para i-make sure na masaya kami lahat pagkasama namin siya. We always feel safe and secure when we are with our tatay.
Tatay ko si Vic Soto. Simple lang siya, minsan tahimik, minsan naman kalog. Sweet daddy at maunawain sa aming magkakapatid. Kapag kailangan namin ng advice niya, hindi siya nawawala at sinisigurado niyang present siya kapag kailangan namin siya. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. Mahal na mahal ka naming lahat. Happy Father's Day.
Tatay ko si Joey De Leon. Siya ay masipag, mapagmahal, malambing, maalahanin, at mapagbigay. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. As always, I hope you remain healthy and happy in whatever you're doing. I love you so much. Happy Father's Day.
Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong.
It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to. You will always care. You're always there. When there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true. I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place, it's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you'll always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true. I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing. Troubles seem to up and disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I can't really lose when you're near. When there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true. I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. When there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true. I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Without you.
More! More! Walang iiyak!
Tuwang-tuwa yung mga daddy niyo. Tawagin natin sila. Mga daddy!
Let's go, Tower Kids, Atasha, Karen Main, Tower Kids, Paolo, Kira, Yesha, Edwin, Ate Shara.
Isa lang masasabi ko, mga anak kayo ng tatay niyo.
Ay, tabihan niyo yung mga anak niyo.
Daddy niyo. Yon. Happy Father's Day.
O, sino mga napabate?
Ayan.
Itong dalawang anak ko. Itong dalawang anak ko muna.
Makikitatay ko muna.
Proxy, walang tatay to is.
Bakit tatay ka muna, Sharing?
Oo nga po eh.
Greet nyo.
Ay, Tatay Vic, Happy Father's Day po sa inyo at saka kay Tatay Joey na ang mga second dads ko. And to my dad, wherever you are, na-joke na, dyan po sa ano. Daddy, Happy Father's Day. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. And I really won't last a day without you. I love you so much.
Danix?
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank
Mahal
you.
na mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo para sa aming mga anak mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy Father's Day from me, Oyo, Vico, Paulina, Tali, and Baby Mochi.
Okay.
Joka!
Ganda mo, ha? Ganda mo.
Pahiya, no?
Oh, okay.
Medyo
Okay lang.
lang.
Ayos lang. Tira!
Pero Happy Father's Day. You know naman na kahit minsan frenemies tayo, super love kita. You know naman that.
2-5, 2-5.
You're my no kidding.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're-
Love you din.
Yeah, I
Love you.
love
Hindi ka ba proud kumanta live si Joka?
Oh my God, live.
Ang lakas ng nervyos.
Maganda naman lumabas eh.
And Happy Father's Day to everyone. All the
Okay.
fathers out there.
Thank you, Jok.
Thank you, Joka.
Kira! What's your message to your...
Kira, Kira.
Kira, mamiki daw, sabi ni Bossy.
Miyak.
Happy
iyak tuloy
Father's
sa
Day po,
Kira.
Daddy. Salamat po sa lahat ng ginagawa po sa akin. I will always love you forever.
Iyak. Iyak kita.
Naiyak ako kasi parang mahuhulog na yung damit mo, Ana. Sa akin kasi to eh. Sa akin to, di ba?
Talaga ba?
Secured yan, Mama Pao.
Ayesha!
Thank you, Kira. Yesha.
Greet your dad. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dada. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
May tanong lang ako sa daddy mo. Pag ini-English ka ba ng anak mo, anong sagot mo English din?
Pass.
Basta sinasabi ko, wala mo na mag-i-English. I have a headache. Parang natigil mo na.
Di ba natin, no?
Pass for today.
Wow!
Thank you, Yesha.
Anong message mo kay papa mo?
Ba't hindi ka naka-main boleche?
Hindi siya kami yung
Antayin mo, Fred.
Happy
Yes,
Father's
Paolo.
Day pa. Happy Father's Day. Salamat
Baka
sa
ng boses,
pagmamahal
oh.
sa amin at mahal na mahal ka namin mga anak mo. At ang wish ko ay sana good health. Good health. At yun, mahal na mahal kita pala.
Narito naman yung mensahe ng anak ni Alan.
Kunyari, ikaw yung anak. Anong mensahe mo? Anak, anong mensahe mo sa akin?
Daddy! Sana mawala ka na sa mundo.
Naiyak siya, oh.
Natuwa lang ako.
Shout out! Happy Father's Day po sa ating lahat ng tatay at mga super dad!